Coming to you live from TechMac TV. My name is Rumbidzai Chizarura, and this is the news in 5. And now for our top stories. Political activist Patson Dzamara has died. Ecocash complies with RBZ directive. Minister Matema dismisses school reopening rumor. Decrease in active coronavirus cases delusive, senior doctors. And now for our news in detail. Patson Dzamara dies. Political activist Patson Dzamara has died. This was confirmed by a family member. Also commenting on Dzamara's death, Nigel Chanakira posted on Twitter saying, "It is with profound sadness to advise you that Dr. Patson Dzamara has passed on this morning ahead of his scheduled cancer operation." Thanks to all those that had been contributing to the fund where $14,000 had already been raised. I am personally devastated. May his dear soul rest in peace. Ecocash complies with RBZ directive. Ecocash complies with RBZ directive. Econet Wireless Zimbabwe's mobile money facility Ecocash has notified its clients that the daily transaction limit is now 5,000 Zimbabwean dollar as per Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe RBZ recent directive. In another act of compliance with the directive, Ecocash has banned agent lines and also allowing one Ecocash account per individual. The latest development was issued to its clients via a statement that said, "Please be advised that we have received a directive from the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe to the following effects. Transactions by all individuals shall be pegged at a maximum of 5,000 Zimbabwean dollars per day. This threshold relates to all transactions by the individual, including payments to merchants for goods and services and payments for utility bills, send money, and purchase of airtime and data. Agent mobile money wallets are to be abolished. No individual shall be allowed to operate more than one Ecocash line with immediate effect." Minister Matema dismisses school reopening rumor. Schools are not reopening next week, and the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education has stressed that schools remain closed until further notice to protect children and staff from COVID-19. Contrary to misleading social media reports that schools will reopen on 2 September 2020 or 15 September 2020 for examination classes, the Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education would like to reiterate to its valued stakeholders that the government deferred the reopening of schools until further notice, reads part of the statement. Government is currently in widespread consultations and will only announce any school's reopening date once Cabinet has taken a position. It is in this light that the ministry advises all schools remain closed until a government directive on reopening is issued. Decrease in active COVID-19 cases delusive, senior doctors. The Senior Hospital Doctors Association, SHIDA, said that Zimbabwe has not yet managed to control the spread of the novel coronavirus despite the decreasing number of active cases in the country. The decrease that we are seeing in the number of confirmed cases is likely to be a result of slowdown testing due to shortages of test kits, and this does not mean that we're out of the woods yet or that we have successfully managed to control the spread of the virus. More needs to be done to ensure that we improve contact tracing, surveillance, isolation of confirmed cases, the suboptimal implementation of infection prevention and control practices in health facilities, crowded institutions, and places such as prisons, Zupco queues, and markets. And now for a COVID-19 update. Zimbabwe Ministry of Health and Child Care Corona Situation Report as of the 25th of August 2020. Zimbabwe has recorded 126 new cases, with 116 of them being locals and 10 being returnees. We have also recorded 11 deaths and 11 recoveries, and this has put our national recovery rate to 80%. Our total cumulative cases are now 6,196, with a total recovery cases of 4,961 and 166 deaths. Thank you for joining us. Join us again tomorrow. And remember to subscribe onto our YouTube channel, that's TechMac TV. Follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram, TechMac TV. We also at TechMac TV would like to say rest in peace to Patson Dzamara. My name is Rumbidzaichi Zarura, and that was the news in 5.